Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to make this large tree branch decoration. Now this only cost me about £8 to make, and that's because I bought these two cheeky chappies here from the B&M store and they were £3.99 each. The rest I'd already had at home, so I've just reused some of my Christmas bits and pieces. The branch I've had for about 5 years, but if you get one, dry it out completely, then PVA it so you seal it, and then paint it white. So if you want to know how to make it, keep watching and I'll show you how to do it. Thanks for watching, I do appreciate it. Now I'll be making a smaller branch decoration in my next video. So if the large one is too big for your room, then the smaller one that I'm going to create is better for you. So if you press the subscribe button and the little bell, it will notify you when I've made it.